if you've got one audience, let's say, that have signed up and they're all from LinkedIn, and another audience that signed up and they came from Facebook, is there some way that you can adjust your communication with them or make decisions based on actually those known audiences?
Yeah, there are ways to then take your data and actually activate it. So you have maybe some kind of insight that you taken from that data. Facebook works quite well. Let's invest. Let's look into Facebook more. And there are two ways to go in this. You could go onto the marketing platform itself, so Facebook ads in this instance, and look at where did people actually click on. This might be that one ad or one offer converts much better than what we intended it to be, or versus something else. So you can run these little tests, just like you said at the beginning with the letter. And that can help us to make our marketing even more effective and more cost effective as well, right? So we buy more traffic for cheaper money. And this is what ad buyers do all day long. They optimize these traffic channels. On the other side, we could also look into what could we do on the platform itself in order to elevate this to the next level. So we could change our offer that worked on the advertising side very well on the website and say, maybe this young woman on the advertising is something they click on. Maybe we should show that young woman again on the website, so they feel like, okay, this offer is something that was given to me in Facebook, and now I'm on the website itself. So this is like conversion optimization on the website itself to optimize the funnel itself.